in mathematics there are four fundamental operations. So already you learned in the primary and high school classes. The fundamental operations are so like this. One is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So addition means संकलन, व्यवकलन, गुणाकार, भागाकार. Yes, all these are the only four fundamental operations, ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗಳು, fundamental operations in mathematics. So the entire mathematics depend upon these four operations. Addition is, so that is plus sign, minus sign into division, plus minus into division. So therefore these are the four fundamental operations. So next one is fractions. Fractions, that is भिन्न राशि. भिन्न राशिಗಳು. So as you know, so in fraction there are three types of fractions are there. Basically there are two, but then we classify them in three ways. So that one is proper fraction, improper fraction, and next one is mixed fraction. Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So that is in Kannada we pronounce them as समभिन्न राशि, विषम भिन्न राशि, मिश्र भिन्न राशि. Yes, fractions are divided into, there are three types: proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So you know, if proper fraction is, example for this one is 1 by 2, 4 by 5, 7 by 10. So like that you can write infinite number of proper fractions. So improper fraction. So in improper fraction, so we give examples in this form. So that is 4 by 3, 5 by 4, 8 by 7, or 100 by 3. So like that, so you can write, so you may write infinite number of improper fractions in which denominator is greater than, denominator is less than. So here denominator is less than numerator, denominator is less than numerator, or numerator is greater than denominator. In case of proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator. So proper fractions are so always less than 1. So they are, numerator is always less than the denominator. And the mixed fractions are 1 integer 1 by 2, 4 integer 2 by 3. Similarly, 10 or 100 integer 4 by 25. Like that you can write. So infinite number of, so you can give infinite number of examples for mixed fractions. Observe here, one is integer, and integer followed by proper fraction. 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 So the this one is always a proper fraction. So therefore you should not write mixed fraction in this way. 4 integer 3 by 2, this one is wrong because it is not the proper fraction. Yes? 4 integer 2 by 3 is wrong. So integer is 4, but this is not the proper fraction. So therefore this is the wrong way of writing the mixed fractions. Writing the fractions, for example 1 by 4. This one is numerator. This one is denominator. So that is Amsha. This one is Cheda. Numerator, denominator. So therefore 125 by 28. 125 is numerator, 28 is the denominator. Yes? So numerator means Amsha, denominator means Cheda, and in case of mixed factor, so mixed fraction, so 4 integer 5 by 13. So this is numerator, denominator. So this one is integer. Integer, numerator, denominator. Consider the problem of division. So just consider one example that is simple. 4 divided by 3. 4 divided by 3. So this is the division problem. So if you divide 4 by 3, 3 1 the 3, this becomes 1. So here just note the terms here. So this one is known as the quotient. This one is known as the remainder. This one is known as the divisor. And this 4 is known as divider. So quotient, dividend, remainder, divisor. That is quotient means Bhagavadda, Bhajya, Shesha, Bhajak. Yes? Quotient, dividend, remainder, and divisor. Bhagavadda, Bhajya, Shesha, Bhajaka. So consider one more example. Another example. 121 divided by 4. So therefore if you divide 121 by 4, we get quotient 4 3 is 12, 1, so 1 is not divisible by 4, therefore keep 0 here in quotient part. So therefore here 121 is divided, 30 is quotient, 1 is remainder, 4 is divisor. So therefore, so this equal to Bhajya, Bhagavadda, Shesha, Bhajaka. Yes, divided. So this is dividend. So this one is quotient, remainder, and divisor. And we know that Bhajya equal to other plus sorry into भाजक plus शेषन. So that is divide and equal to quotient plus sorry into divisor plus remainder. Divide and equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder, we will get so divided. If you multiply these two, that is 30 into 4 plus 1, so this is equal to 120 plus 1, 121. So therefore, so this 121 is the dividend. Yes. Now consider the factors. ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು. So factors in Kannada we know it as the ಅಪವರ್ತನಗಳು. So therefore consider the number 4. So we can express the product of 2 into 2 and 12. 4 into 3 or 2 into 2 into 3. Observe here 2 and 2, these are the factors of 4. 4 and 3 are the factors of 12. 2, 2, 3 are also factors of the 12. So therefore 2 is a factor of 4. This 2 is also factor of 4. 4 is factor of 12. 3 is factor of 12. 2 and 2, these 3 also factors of the 12. So therefore here 2 and 2. So these are known as the prime factors. So these are simply of factors, and so this one is a prime factor. If number is expressed as the product of prime, so their product of prime, so therefore these are known as the prime factors, and here 4 is not the prime, so therefore they are simply the factors. Now consider this one. So 25 factors of 25 are generally, so they are, so this is equal to 1 5. So 1 5 5, there are no other factors. 1 and 5. So 25 will be obtained by multiplying 5 and 5. 5 5 is 25. So while expressing some repeated factors, we can use the indices, ಘಾತಾಂಕಗಳು. So therefore indices So observe here 4 raised to 3. That means 4 is multiplied 3 times. 4 into 4 into 4. So here just observe 4 to the power 3. Here 4 is known as base. 4 is the base. आधार संख्या. 4 is known as base and 3 is known as the index or exponent or power. 4 to the power 3. 4 raised to 3. So 3 is index or exponent or power, and here 4 is base, आधार संख्या ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So here index means ಘಾತ ಸೂಚಿ or ಘಾತಾಂಕ. So ಘಾತ ಸೂಚಿ or ಘಾತಾಂಕ, index, and so or it is in Kannada we may pronounce it as ಘಾತಾಂಕ or ಘಾತ ಸೂಚಿ. Now write the base and base and index of this number and this index this number, so therefore 5 raised to 3. So here base is 5, index is 3, index or exponent or power equal to 3. Base is 5, index or exponent or power equal to 3. So that is आधार संख्या, and here it is घातांक or घात सूची. So therefore 5 raised to 3. So 5 is the base, 3 is the index of this.